Hey guys, so I want to show you a Beyblade stadium. So this is the shape of it. It's in all gray. So it's like not really oval. It does have a little bit of sharp edges to it. But yeah, this one is a lot of fun. The different stadiums can vary just depending on which one you choose. But yeah, so this one is in a gray, and then this is the shape of it. So you have your plastic part on top, and then you have this little gray underneath, so that way it can stand, but the actual bottom part is white. And something that's different about this one is that I believe these are called like little avatars. And so basically these are on each end. On the inside, of course, you're just going to want to fit it underneath. So basically it just stands like that. And then the cool part is that when the Beyblades hit, like, they obviously will go hit all around, but it's fun when they hit like these black edges, and it almost looks like they're battling. But yeah, so these ones are a lot of fun. This one is a little bit different just because of these little two, but they do come with Beyblades as well.